Hey guys, this is Huzaifa from my YouTube channel Positive Academy. Today we are going to talk about how to attract money without using law of attraction. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity. So now when I talk about money, money is energy, right? Everything in this universe is energy. So now if you're not attracting money or if you're lacking money, this means it has to deal with your past karma, past life, right? We are the sum of what our past life was and what our present life was. So it is your money karma that is the problem, right? And so it is so much important for you to clear this karma. Now, remember, there are also certain beliefs like you think that money will not become spiritual. You think that a lot of money will cause problems. So when you think all of these things, right, it will lead you not to attract money into your life, or you will be lacking money into your life. Remember this, right? This is the number one. So how you can overcome all these obstacles regarding money? How you can change your relationship with money without using visualization or affirmation or any damn thing, right? It's your relationship with money is so much important, and once you change that, right, it will also change your past life karma, right? And so now it will help you to manifest more money into your life, and money is so much important. Let me give you an example. You see a poor man, right? And so now you will always see him lacking mindset. You will always see him with no energy because he is lacking that money energy. Now, on comparison to the rich man, right? Rich man, the powerful man, the man who can provide for family, the man who can make billions of dollars. So now you are seeing that as a rich person, as a powerful person, because he has that power, money power, energy power. That is the essence you need to understand when it comes to money. So now how you can change this? So the number one step is to take money as a reference, as a reverence. Taking money as a reference is so much important. Take 100% responsibility if you're lacking money, means, or if you're having some financial blocks, it means that it is related to your thinking or karma. So you have to take that responsibility. A lot of people don't even realize or take responsibility that there is some problem going on with the money, with the money karma, or with the stuff, or with their belief, right? They must understand this, and they must realize and take 100% responsibility of this financial block or having money problem. Even in your life, I challenge you to take 100% responsibility. You are only responsible for what you are going through and what problems you are facing. You are 100% responsible for your own life. Same goes with money, right? You are only responsible for the finance blocks, the money karma, the beliefs about money, right? When you alter this, right, everything changes. And how you can change this, how you can alter this, it begins with the help of practice. That, for example, if you are doing any kind of financial transaction, if you are just talking about money, giving money, paying your bills, or any other damn thing, you are, if you are exchanging money, if you are exchanging the energy with someone, right, it is so much important for you to make this statement: money is my teacher, money is my guru. Money is my teacher, money is my guru. For example, if you're just taking up the money from the street, or if someone gives you as exchange, right, and you accept that, you speak these words in existence: money is my teacher, money is my guru. Money is my teacher, money is my guru. And so now when you practice this on regular basis for 90 days, 90 days, it will change your relationship with money. It will change how you think about money, and it will challenge your money karma. If you are having any kind of financial block or problem, it will change it. It is a power to change it, but you have to practice this consistently when you are making any kind of financial transactions for about 90 days, right? Your life has will change tremendously. You can't even imagine. If you're having financial problems, or if you're having money blocks, or if you're not even able to manifest anything into your life. Now when it is manifestation, it is so much important that each and everything in this universe is a result of manifestation. So if you are not able to manifest money, there is some problem, right? You see, the result of each and everything is someone's manifestation. So your own thing also, or you, if you are making someone, or if you're building something, and if you're not having money, it means you are not able to manifest that. This is the thing. So you have to practice this statement whenever there is some financial transaction, whenever you get some money, whenever you receive money from someone, whenever you exchange money, right? You have to make this statement: money is my teacher, money is my guru. Money is my teacher, money is my guru. Now, when I say this thing, right, it means that money is helping me to learn something. I'm getting this energy, so now it is helping me to learn something. This statement is followed, and this statement is practiced on regular basis. You will change. You will see the tremendous change in your life. Right? Removing all the financial problems, money blocks, or if you're having a karma regarding money, then also it will dissolve. So understand that, right? And it requires practice, right? It will not happen that if you're doing something right for maybe 10, 12 days, it has a power to change. No, because your karma is a weightage, right? Weightage. It will always, whenever you just go upside, it has a weightage, so it will bring you down, down, down due to your past karma, due to your past problem, right? So you will be down. So you have to remove that baggage. Once you remove that baggage, then you will be going up, 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 up that way. So that is the thing. So the only way you can remove this is to practice this, making this statement each and every time when you are having any kind of financial transaction. Money is my teacher, money is my guru, money is my teacher, money is my guru. Taking reverence, consider reverence about money, being 100% responsible for whatever money problems you are having, financial problem having, blockages having into your life regarding money. This will definitely help you. Try this and come back again to this video, right? And mention in the comments, are you feeling any kind of difference if you are practicing this on regular basis? I'm practicing this since a lot of past days, and I can see there are changes happening in my life. And so now I'm sharing you this experience, right? I'm sharing what I am learned, right? What I am learning or what I'm going through, and it will be helping me also to learn, because learning is like earn, right? And at the same time you will also get the insight, and I will provide you with values and knowledge and skills and whatever that I'm having. And so sharing is caring, and if you don't share the knowledge is garbage, right? Knowledge not used is garbage. So I'm making a statement: whatever I'm knowing, whatever I'm learning, whatever I'm going through, I will share through this my medium, right? So if this video is helpful, right, make sure you like, share, and subscribe button. And always remember to leave a comment of gratitude, right? Because gratitude has a power to change each and everything. So when you are grateful for something, everything around you changes. That it is have experience, right? And I'm speaking from experience, right? So that is it. I hope that this video really helps. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.